Welcome to American Bakery in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are doing a pretty easy tutorial on how to make a checkerboard cake on the inside. So let's get started.
You will need at least 3, preferably 4 layers of at least 2 different colors of cake. I have pink and white cake today, but you can use any colors different enough that the others show up next to it. It's best if your cake layers are about the same thickness. So I actually used 1 layer of pink cake to measure the height to cut my white cake. The circle cutters I originally chose were slightly too large. This is a 4-inch round and I had a 3-inch cutter and a 1 3/4 inch cutter. I forgot, however, that the cake contracts from the side of the cake pan, so the actual cake wasn't a full 4 inches. So a 2.5 inch cutter was better. I used the cutter to mark the cake and then used a knife to cut all the way through. Then I didn't have a smaller cutter than the blue one, so I used a piping tip to mark the center circle. Again, I cut the cake with a knife. Do not try to cut a cake with a piping tip. Next, I separated my cake pieces. If your cake is falling apart at this stage, chill your cake in the fridge or even the freezer before continuing. Mine worked fairly well, however. Now comes the fun part. Set the pieces of cake back together, alternating the colors of cake. Some people stick them together with buttercream, but I just froze my layers like this, and they didn't have any trouble staying together. Then stack the cake, alternating the colors of the outside ring. I started with white on the bottom, then pink, then white, then pink. Fill the layers with a thin layer of buttercream or you'll lose your visual. Frost the cake as usual. When you cut into your cake, you should get a lovely checkerboard pattern like this. Now, wasn't that easy? I love the effect you get. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.